addition to just being a fantastic basketball player.
And finally tonight, NASA made history again with a journey to Jupiter with a solar-powered spacecraft. The Juno probe is now orbiting the giant planet with the hope of figuring out what's inside of it and how it's built.
Juno, welcome to Jupiter.
After hurtling in space for 5 years and traveling 2.8 billion kilometers, the Juno probe accomplished its mission of entering Jupiter's orbit. Juno's goal is to give us the closest encounter possible with the biggest planet in our solar system.
I mean, this is the king of our solar system and its disciples going around it. It's also representative of nature. This is how we look. That's a mini solar system. And so I think it's to me, it's very significant because we're finally able to see with real video, real pictures, this motion.
Even though Juno's computer and electronics are locked in a titanium vault to shield them, orbiting Jupiter is extremely risky.
It has the strongest magnetic field. It's spinning the fastest. It has the strongest gravity field. It has the most intense radiation. And we're flying the fastest of any spacecraft, and we're carrying these giant solar rays spinning.
Juno is taking a beating with blasts of radiation equal to 100 million dental X-rays, all of which will help scientists with how to design spacecrafts for future space exploration.
Well, the radiation environment itself, how do our systems operate in this environment? Do we have the right shielding in place?
So, instead of using nuclear power, we're using solar power, and that's really opening up a lot of opportunities in terms of the types of missions that we can send out there.
Juno will spend 20 months circling Jupiter's poles, peering through thick clouds and studying the planet's gravity and magnetic fields. By unlocking the history behind the fifth rock from the sun, these space pioneers hope they'll learn more about how Earth and the rest of the solar system developed. And that is our news.
Good night.
Your brain waves send the necessary data to pinpoint